Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an item to your favorites on the marketplace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the Discover button down below, and after that click on the one of these categories at the top, such as electronics, fashion, vehicle, pets, and so on. Tap on a relevant one and check out the items. And click on an item you want to add to your favorites. Here you can find the pictures. If you slide to the right side, you can check out its description and tap on the heart icon at the top of the screen to add it to your favorites. And as you go back, tap on the profile button down below. That's the last icon. Click on your profile page and tap on the liked section, and here you can find all of the items that you have liked. If you want to remove any of these entries, just tap on the picture and click on the heart icon again, so it will disappear from this page, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.